This is the PAI high-performance Mainshaft gear, manufactured for Fuller RT 14718 transmissions. The PAI part number for this Mainshaft gear is EF66890HP, which is a direct replacement for OEM number 4302394. The gear is milled from a high-grade alloy steel for added strength and undergoes a special heat treatment. The 50 teeth on this gear are treated with precision ground tooth finish, which improves the efficiency and lifespan of the gear. Rigorous post-production testing, including our 100% noise test, ensures top-notch precision and quality. This PAI part comes with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.